The Federal Court last week issued a very important judgment in the matter of Workpac and Rossato. This particular judgment follows an earlier full court judgment that the union ran and what's become known as the Scheme case. The Scheme case established the principle that in Australian law there's no such thing as a permanent casual, and when examining whether someone is in fact a casual or a permanent employee, you have to look at the reality of the employment relationship, not just the label the employer puts on it. The Rossato matter was an attempt by Workpac to escape the earlier judgment in Scheme. It was really a contrived case where the company ended up paying for Mr. Rossato's legal costs as a way of trying to overturn the earlier Scheme judgment. But thankfully they failed. The importance of the recent Rossato judgment is that it clears the way for the union to pursue all labour hire companies for their unlawful employment arrangements in the coal mining industry and elsewhere. These arrangements involve calling people who are workers who are actually permanent employees casuals and depriving them of annual leave and personal leave and other entitlements which go towards permanent employment. We've always called it a rort. Now the court has also declared it unlawful. The union's determined to ensure that there's truth in labelling when it comes to workers in the coal mining industry. If you're employed under a fixed roster, you know what the roster is well in advance, you're required to turn up every day to work that roster, then you're not a casual and you shouldn't be treated as such. You should be receiving annual leave, personal leave and payment for public holidays and all those conditions which come with permanent employment. This is a chance for the federal government to demonstrate whose side they're on. Are they on the side of big business and the labour hire companies, or are they on the side of ordinary workers, many of whom live in regional Australia? This is an opportunity to introduce truth in labelling in employment relations.